Good day to you all. Today we'll learn an important rule about magnetic compass. We call this rule as a golden rule of magnetic compass. As per this rule, when a lines of force enters to a substance, then it creates blue pole, and when it exits from a substance, it creates a red pole. In this screen, we can see that Earth has got two poles. One is blue pole, another one is red pole. In this Earth, magnetic lines of force is emitting from red pole and entering on the blue pole, and this rule is called the golden rule of magnetic lines of forces. So what is the magnetic lines of force? Magnetic lines of force is the path of a standalone magnetic north pole or red pole if we keep it in any magnetic field. So if we keep a standalone north pole or red pole, obviously it will travel by the path is shown in the screen. Now, if we keep a magnetic substance in that Earth's magnetic field, obviously that magnetic substance will be influenced by the Earth's magnetic field, and it will also have two poles. One is blue pole and one is red pole. Now the question is, what will be the blue pole and what will be the red pole? So as magnetic lines of force is entering on the downward side of the substance, we will see that at the downward end of that substance it will create a blue pole, and on the upward side of the substance it will create a red pole. So this magnetic substance is also having two poles, which is red pole and blue pole, and it is directly opposite to the Earth's blue pole and red pole. Now, as this magnetic substance has got two poles, obviously it will also have its own magnetic lines of force. How these magnetic lines of force will travel? These magnetic lines of force will travel from the red pole to blue pole. Why? Because if we keep a standalone red pole, it will be deflected by the red pole or attracted by the blue pole of that magnetic substance, and it will create its own magnetic lines of force surrounding to that magnetic substance. We can see in the screen that magnetic substance is creating its own magnetic lines of force, which direction is directly opposite to the magnetic lines of force of the Earth. So when the magnetic lines of force are creating its own path, it always follows a golden rule where it emits from the red pole and enters in the blue pole. This is the golden rule of magnetic lines of force, and this rule will help us to understand the magnetic compass better. Thank you very much.